What's up, real life trading family? This is Jason, and I'm here to give you your June monthly challenge. Many of you don't know, but June is conservation month, and I'm out here in the backyard in North Carolina enjoying the beautiful weather here, and I was thinking about 3 challenges that I could give you guys. So for your real challenge, I want you to get outside and do something that's moderately intensive, maybe like plant a tree, plant a bush, put some mulch down, clear out some of those weeds you've been meaning to get to, just something that gets you outside, because obviously with COVID we've been shut up for quite a bit. Or you could do something even more intensive if you really want to. I mean, you could chop down a tree. I've got one right here that is dying, and I've got to get this thing chopped down because otherwise it's going to knock over my neighbor's fence, and he won't be too happy about that. Now, obviously, if you don't live somewhere where you can do that, I mean, we don't all live on wage acres, right? Look up a nice park or a nature preserve nearby where you can go and get your workout maybe 1-2 times a week. Or some of these nature preserves will even appreciate if you came and helped plant trees, or even clear out brush or plant flowers with them. Just something that'll get you outside, enjoying nature, work up a good sweat. Obviously do what you can do based on your current physical activity level. So for your life challenge, I want you to be aware of and become familiar with the air quality that's around you. Okay, many of you don't know, but in my day job, my job, I help protect human health and the environment. So what I want you to do is I want you to figure out whether you're breathing good air when you're outside or whether you're breathing maybe not so good air, okay? So how do you do that? Well, it's quite simple. If you have an iPhone, I want you to go to the weather app each day, and I want you to scroll down until you see the air quality section, okay? If you have an Android, I'll get to that in just a second. What you want to do is you want to monitor that color bar that's right there and it goes across horizontally. That's called the Air Quality Index, or AQI. The way it breaks down is any number between 0 and 50 is going to be green, and that's pretty good air quality that you're breathing. If it's 51 to 100, it's going to be yellow. It's going to be kind of moderate. 101 to 150 is probably going to be a little sensitive for people who have asthma or maybe some other lung issues. And then anything over 200 is bad. So that's going to be like a red color, purple color, maroon color that you're going to see appear there. So basically keep track each day of what your air quality was averaging for the day. Maybe you can check it at breakfast, at lunch, and maybe again at dinner time. And you'll see that air quality number will change throughout the day. And that's sometimes depending on traffic issues or weather. Different things will affect that air quality, and it may help you know when to go outside and do your exercises. Now, if you're on an Android, you need to go download EPA's Air Now app from the Google Play Store, especially if you're here in the US. Or you can find the AQI within the weather.com website or their app, or even through an app called Barometer. There's a few others, and I'll put those as links in the description below. And especially for those that are outside the US, I'll try to find a couple of apps that you can use as well. Finally, for your trading challenge, I want you to trade a green energy, renewables company, something you've never traded before, but that is on the cusp of this kind of new sustainable energy future that we're embarking on. Pretty much everybody knows what Tesla does, right? But there are so many others out there. So go find a company that maybe produces batteries other than Tesla. Wind turbines is becoming big. Maybe some innovative new recycling company like Pure Cycle Technologies, ticker symbol PCT. Or a company like Yeti. You pretty much know what Yeti is. Maybe you've never traded their stock. They make reusable water bottles, and they make a lot of camping gear and things that we can use outside. That may be a ticker that you've never traded before. I'll throw up a few other ideas on the screen and in the description below, but I want you to Google and I want you to find a company that you like and that you don't mind trading because maybe you believe in what they stand for. So that about wraps it up. Please message me in Slack. Let me know how it's going throughout the month. Let me know how the air quality is where you live at. Share with me some environmental company that you found that you're excited to trade. I don't know them all. I'd love to find some more. Just get out there, enjoy the weather, enjoy June, and let's just stay healthy together. Let's trade together well, and let's just go enrich lives. Love you guys.